What's up YouTube? It's your girl Marvella and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my new iPhone XS Max.
Yeah. Weezy out of here. The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins a...
What's up YouTube? It's your girl Marvella and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new phone, the iPhone XS Max. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be below the video. Follow my other social media platforms. They'll be in the description box below. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. Yeah, so when you bring it out of the box, this is the actual phone box. I got the 64 gig. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the 64 gig Apple iPhone XS Max, and the Apple sign is gold because I got the gold one. And yeah, so when you open the box, you see this little paper thingy, and inside it has the manual, the hello sign, and the Apple sticker for your laptop or whatever. And you have the phone right here. This is how the phone look like. This is the back, this is the front, and it's actually like really sleek. I mean, the gold is quite different from the rest of the iPhones that they brought out. That's why I really like the gold one. It's distinct, and I love the size of the Max. It's like, I don't know what to say. I just really do love this phone. And when I first turned it on, I had to set up my Face ID, obviously my Apple ID and everything. So everything is synced on this phone. All I need to do is get my music back and stuff. And yeah, you can definitely tell the difference between the XS Max and my old phone, which was the 7 Plus. You can tell the difference. You just can't tell the difference. It feels more slick. The camera is definitely better, and I'm like very scared to like drop it, so I had to get me a protective case. It's clear though, because you know you gotta show off the gold color and everything. So yeah, there's one more thing I need to get used to, which is the full screen, because when I get on Snapchat to try to take a picture or make a video, or I don't know, it seems like my face is too zoomed in like to the camera, but I feel like it's just because of the full screen. So that's one thing I need to get used to. So yeah, I'm just going to put this back in the case because I'm not trying to drop it anytime soon. So yeah, that's how it looks like in the case. So yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. I'm so sorry I look ugly right now, but I mean, I just got back from the Apple store. It was hella far from my place and it took so long to get the phone. And I'm also sorry because this video is so short, but I mean, it's an unboxing video, and yeah, I guess it's supposed to be short. So yeah, thank you for watching.
Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies.